Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of prepping for an essential worker. Now these are all the ingredients that I used to prep everything that I needed to prep for my husband. As I mentioned in the part 1, my husband is an essential worker and I'll be going away for about a month, so I'm making sure that I prep and take care of everything for the household. Alright, so here I'm just going in with my vegetables and I'm prepping to make my ippies. Guys, if you haven't seen my ippies video, please be sure to go watch it. I'll link it in the description box and I'll put it up in the card somewhere. You will see a link pop up. Alright, so that's one. The next step is to go ahead and take out all the meat out of the packaging, and you want to make sure that you clean all of your meat. All right, if you've been watching me, you know that I like to clean my meat with vinegar, lime, and then put hot water over it. But this time I'm gonna let it sit in the hot boiling water for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll show you guys that later. Here I'm just making sure that all of the vinegar is well incorporated, is covering all pieces of the meat. And then I rinsed it off with some cold water, just like so. And then I'm putting it inside of the boiling water, just as you guys see here. Alright, very simple. So guys, I just want to say, like, if you are an essential worker and you want a home cooked meal, the best thing to do is to shop big at once, and then clean all of your meat, put them in Ziploc bags, season them and all of that. Here you'll see me putting my chicken breast inside of the Ziploc bags. I had already cleaned it, so I'm just putting it in a Ziploc bag. Then later on, after my ippies is officially done, I will pour the ippies over it and let it marinate for about 24 hours before I freeze it. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video with someone you know it will be beneficial for. I would greatly appreciate it. I do also want to say thank you so much for all 200 subscribers. I see you, I appreciate you, and I will continue doing videos that are helpful and beneficial for you. Here I'm just removing my chicken that I had boiling or sauteing inside of the pot, and I'm putting it off on the side just like so. Alright, this is a long process, guys, but trust me, it will save you so much time in the long run. When you prep your food and you buy all of your meat all at once, you buy all your meat and you clean it and prep it all at once and put it in Ziploc bags, it saves you a ton of time when it's time for you to cook. My husband, all he'll have to do is just take one of those Ziploc bags out of the freezer, let it defrost, and put it in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour, and he have him a meal. He can pair it with some vegetables. All right, so this is the the mojo that I was telling you guys I was gonna put, and I'll also put some ippies in there. That's the chicken breast. I feel a little sick. It ain't coronavirus, y'all. It is not coronavirus. I just got the sniffles. All right. So this is the other meat that I had. Again, guys, this was a lot of work. I mean, I had to chop and cut up this video. My kitchen was a hot mess, guys. It was things everywhere. But my kitchen is pretty small, so I was putting stuff over to the side. I was doing so much, but simple. So here's everything already pre-boiled and cooked, and then I'll go and put my ippies, which is here. I know the video is kind of dark, but I was doing this all day, guys. So yeah, here's my ippies. I'm putting it over my Cornish hens. Like I mentioned before, I made about I want to say 8 Cornish hens, and I'll be gone for about a month. So I want to make sure that my man is well taken care of before I leave. So make sure you put that earpiece all in the cavity. Guys, I have videos on how to clean meat. Any video that is baked, boiled, crock pot, you will see how I clean my meat. So if you are one of my viewers who want me to take the time step by step, I encourage you to go watch the other videos, or just comment below and tell me, hey, you want me to go step by step in how I do everything. I know this is a little bit faster, but guys, it's really simple. All you have to do is click one of those other videos. I'll make sure I put it in, link it up somewhere so you guys can click on it and go watch the other videos. All right, and I've packaged everything. Now I'm labeling everything. This was the chicken breast. After I put on my earpiece and stuff, I'm labeling everything, and this is what you guys want to do as well. All right, and this is the finished product. I have my chicken breast and everything. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Again, I thank all 200 viewers and subscribers and anyone new. If you found this video beneficial, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.